Alright, more Bitcoin adoption from the Luna Foundation. Let's jump right into the news. So, as you can see, the Luna Foundation has now just acquired another 1.5 billion in Bitcoin to back the Terra stablecoin. This is impressive in itself, but the fact is they now are the second largest entity holding Bitcoin, which is literally crazy. I mean, they've now got more Bitcoin than Tesla. The only company above them which has more Bitcoin than them is MicroStrategy, currently sitting at 129,218 Bitcoin. You can see here, I believe Tesla holds 43,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, you can see Tesla currently owns 43,000 Bitcoin, with the Terra Foundation now clocking in at around 80,000 Bitcoin, currently worth more than 3 billion. Now, just to finish this off, the cherry on the top of the cake, because, you know, we've pretty much already gone through the news, but it seems like it was on one of these articles that the Terra Foundation seems to have a long-term goal of raising 10 billion by the end of the third quarter. Now, this is very, very impressive. That would definitely put Terra, you know, competing with companies like MicroStrategy. So this is very, very bullish news in itself. I hope the Luna Foundation don't acquire, you know, too large of a percent of the supply. I wouldn't like to see any entities holding more than 1% of the supply, but it is what it is. It is good news that we're seeing here with the Luna Foundation picking up some extra crypto. Now, to finish off the video, you can also see MicroStrategy could be having a margin call if we do come down to 21,000 Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, or, you know, you guys know Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, currently owns, like I said, 129,200 Bitcoin, and this is all basically backed by loans. They've taken out collateral to leverage Bitcoin, and, you know, unfortunately, as we're coming down, it seems their stock price is crashing. I wouldn't be worried about Michael Saylor getting a margin call, and that basically means they would have to, you know, liquidate some of their crypto. MicroStrategy also is talking about potentially purchasing more Bitcoin at 21,000, which would reduce his margin call. But yeah, some very interesting things going on with the crypto space in the past couple of days. Just wanted to give you a quick news update. RIP on MicroStrategy. I'm sure we're not going to come down to 21,000. So I'm sure Michael Saylor is going to be fine. I'm sure we'll come down to, you know, 33,000, 30,000, and Michael Saylor will probably lower his average buy-in price and probably leverage more debt to buy more Bitcoin. So if we do come down to 21,000, could be very diabolical for Bitcoin if MicroStrategy does have to liquidate a large amount of the supply. That could cause a huge shift in the amount of supply on the exchanges and also shift the price. So very interesting stuff going on. I love the news we're seeing here with the Luna Foundation. Hopefully Bitcoin's price turns around before the margin call would be happening for MicroStrategy. That's all I've got for you for the news today. As always, Cowboy out. Peace.